awesome.
Only camp kids can't do it.
Is that a water slide?
Camp kids can't do it.
I know. Why can't we do it?
Because we said no.
Hey, here.
Yes!
What?
Alright, look out, people. Almost swimming?
Are you going?
No, I'm not going.
Yes, right?
What?
No, I can't.
Not tonight.
Do it today. Do it.
Somebody did that?
Next fight.
What is that? It's water.
Today.
No.
It's a snake.
No, it's yes.
It's a snake.
Samuel, you ready?
That was pathetic. 4.
Alright, Malachi, you ready?
Belly flop, belly flop.
Oh.
Woo! That was a good one.
Is the wind really that low?
Good. Go do it.
Me?
Sammy.
You
You just leave your shirt on. Leave your shirt on. You're good. Go ahead.
Sammy, take the slip and slide.
So go.
Take the yellow part. It's a slide.
Hey,
Go on your
Sammy!
What? Is it okay?
See the snake? Get the snake!
Get the snake.
It's not really a snake, Sammy. We're just teasing.
What is it? What is it?
Just a part of the car that they
Snake. Go get it, Sammy. Go tackle it. Go kill it. Watch, she's gonna get it. That's a snake. He killed it. The snake did. It's not running. I thought the water was a lot higher. It was. It was, but too late.
Natalie, sit down there. Go. By the door.
Where's he going? I can't.
Guard it with your life.
I'll
yeah.
hold it. I'll hold it. What's that?
No, he said to me, guard it with my life, not you guard it with your life.
Aaron, can I hold it?
Samuel, ride your bike in again.
Aaron, can I hold it? Ride your bike. Aaron, can I hold the ring? Aaron! Can I hold the ring? Aaron, can I hold the ring?
You gotta go fast, Murph.
Watch out, Sammy! Sammy! So much for a hurricane.
Supposed to be here for like 3 more days.
When it comes. He's gonna wipe out Tampa. Samuel, here.
Thank you.
It's Christmas. Why isn't Murph going? He's gotta get speed. See?
Watch out, Sammy. Murph's coming.
Watch out!